We've been hearing this mantra from Dr. Richard Carlson since 1997, longer than a lot of you have been alive. Don't sweat the small stuff. And sure, in life, that can be really great advice. Missed your morning latte? Meh. Someone cut you off in traffic? Let it go. It's a great philosophy for life. But for work, particularly in a detail-driven industry like bookkeeping, that doesn't reconcile. In our world, details are the small stuff, and the small stuff is everything. You miss one tiny bank fee, you forget to match that payment up to the invoice, you leave a reconciliation undone, chaos ensues. Bookkeeping is very much like a house of cards, built with tiny pieces stacked just right. And if your systems aren't strong enough, that beautiful structure collapses. So yes, it's time for bookkeepers to sweat. Sweat the data, sweat the deadlines, sweat the SOPs, sweat profusely. It's not about perfection, it's about preparation. And guess what helps you sweat smartly instead of stressing out hard? Yep, systems. Because with the right systems, the small stuff doesn't fall through the cracks. It gets caught, sorted, handled, logged, filed, flagged, and fixed before it ever snowballs. So next time someone tells you, don't sweat the small stuff, just smile politely and then go reconcile everything. Please like, subscribe, and share for more sweat-worthy strategies from Maven Systems, where the inspiration heats things up until it's hot. Please check out our video library because there's something for every bookkeeping entrepreneur. And as always, if you've got an extra 4 minutes, we've got another video. Coming up next, rusty but returning, here's why bookkeeping is your best move. We'll see you there.